Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to your daily update on XRP. We'll be doing a full update in this video. It's a bit confusing, to be honest, since the price movement yesterday. Yesterday, to do a brief recap, and then afterwards we'll talk about what's most likely from here. Yesterday we actually got a major bearish breakout below 50 cents. So what I expected is a continued drop down towards 49 and 48.5 cents after retesting possibly 50 cents. But what happened, and which was unexpected, it's not necessarily like the outcome is not necessarily different, I think. But what happened is that XRP broke above 50 cents. And now it's holding some support at that level. I still expect it to drop down, but the overall market structure has kind of changed from quite bearish to something a little bit more neutral. But we'll talk about that. Before we talk about that, I do want to mention briefly that I have my own premium training group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also receive access to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, and my trading guide, so you can actually learn how to analyze like me. So if that sounds interesting, consider joining. There's more information via the links down in the description and the pinned comment. But for now, onto XRP. So the thing is that in general with XRP right now, the trend is down. Like if you zoom out enough, the trend is down. If you zoom in right now, the trend is also, I would say, arguably, down with something like this. But it's also true that XRP is not really trending. Which I know that sounds weird, but bear with me. All right, the ADX right now is super low. So what that means is that there's basically no trending movement, and that's also supported by these EMAs. As you can see, the EMAs, especially the lower three ones, like the 200 EMA is still bearish, but the other ones are just in the middle of the price and are barely being respected. There's also nothing really going on with XRP open interest / volume wise. Sure, it has gone up a bit, but it's just at the same levels as Friday, so normal weekly levels. So in general, it seems like XRP will not really be volatile. And then we have to assume that for now we'll get into a consolidation. And given the EMAs, like in a real consolidation, the EMAs are usually in the middle. So then we would come to a consolidation right here between 48.5 cents and 52 cents. All right, so I think that's the most like technically logical situation and market structure for now. It's not really in line with what I expect for Bitcoin, but it could be. All right, because for Bitcoin, I still expect some more bearish momentum. I expect that, and that's likely to come as well. So that means for XRP that more bearish momentum will probably also come because of the correlation. And there is still room for that if you assume that this will be a consolidation, right? So it actually does work like this. Yesterday, I know I was a little bit more bearish, but for now, what I expect, and it's actually quite, I think this is a solid analysis. Like in general, if Bitcoin all of a sudden spikes right here and gets some major bullish momentum, then I will be wrong, because then XRP will do something like this. That's not what I expect. I think overall XRP is still quite weak, and I do think XRP will drop down below 50 cents and drop down towards that level between 49 and 48.5 cents. But then from there, now there's actually the opportunity / the potential or possibility that will just be the support of a consolidation, and that from there we can actually get some meaningful bullish momentum again for XRP. But that does depend. It depends on how much support we get initially off of that level. If it's something like this, then great. If it's something like this, then also great. If it's something less, then that's a different story. But I will keep you updated on that. For now, short term, this is the most likely scenario. And the market structure, I think, at this moment, at least, is a consolidation. That's my take on XRP. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.